Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about the Itcosmetics products that I received. I actually talk a little bit about the products in the video while I was doing my makeup. Their packaging is really nice. I mean, very cute. Mascara and their eyeliner packaging looks very similar in a very curvy shape, which I really like. I received the mascara. I used it the next day because I was actually wearing a natural makeup look. I decided not to wear lashes just to, try out their mascara, guys. It's a must have. I've never said that about any mascara. I've never said that about any mascara before, but this one is a must have, guys. This is a must have. Even while I was filming this tutorial, I almost skipped my eyelashes because I like the way it gives my eyelashes volume and length. If you want volume and length for your lashes, this is a must have. I like this. I like the packaging of their eyeliner as well, which I mentioned earlier, and their eyeliner is very dark, guys. Video just to share how opaque and how black their eyeliner is very black, and the tip right there is very thin, so you can get that sharp line or edges when you use this eyeliner, which I'm quite a fan of. So this is a plus for me. I've never tried any products by Itcosmetics before, so I'm quite impressed with the ones that I have so far. And guys, I will definitely recommend the eyeliner as well. So this is the brush that came with the package. So the brush is like this, but you can push it up right there just to protect the bristle, which is really nice. I like that. Something about this brush that I really like so much is the fact that it's a multi-purpose brush. You can tell from the in this video I use this brush to apply my contour, apply the highlighter on my nose, and apply the powder on my nose. And at the same time you can also use this for your eyeshadow as well, which is a bonus for me. I like the fact that it's a multi-purpose brush. This eyeliner part is goals, guys. I'm quite glad it meets up to my expectation. So, but the tip is very thin and very sturdy. This brush for me also is a must have as a multi-purpose brush. I like it from the bottom of my heart. I like it because I like the fact that I could use the two brushes I could use both sides for different things, that has to do with makeup, obviously. I really like it, and I like the fact that the cover right here protects the bristles, which is nice because you don't want your brush to be like that in a week. Your eyeshadow palette right here, guys. Packaging is very sleek and very nice. I like it. I like the fact that it's lightweight, it's compact, and the cover is magnetic, so if you accidentally open it, it goes back. I like that. It's very lightweight, it's travel friendly, very slim, compact, and travel friendly. I like it. But now let's go. Now let's talk about the eyeshadow in the palette, guys. The eyeshadows in the palette are very opaque because I swatched them in the video for you guys. I used 3 shades from this palette to achieve this makeup look right here, which I'm quite impressed about how pigmented the shades in the palettes are. They're very pigmented. They apply smoothly on the skin, and they apply smoothly on the lids, and there's little or no fallout at all, which is quite nice for a matte eyeshadow. That's quite impressive. I like that. And I also, for the first time, I never had eye foundation before, but for the first time in my life I saw one today, which I'm quite impressed about the fact that it's very pigmented. And conclusion is the Itcosmetics Superhero Collection worth it? Absolutely, guys, absolutely. For me, it's 10 out of 10, and have a feel of this collection. Then if you have the opportunity of going into a store or somewhere you can try them, then definitely go ahead and do it, and tell me what you feel when you do, because I know what I'm talking about. And for me, it's 10 out of 10. I really look into trying more of their products because I'm quite impressed for a brand I've never used before. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of Itcosmetics. I received some products from them and I shared the products on Instagram, on my Instagram story. So a lot of you guys requested that I do the review of the products that I received. So here we are. This is my first time trying Itcosmetics products. I've never ever used any of their products before, so I hope it meets up to my expectations. So let's get started. Itcosmetics Superhero Collection. So in the collection, I've got the eyeliner, I've got the mascara, I've got the brush and an eyeshadow palette in the collection. So there are actually 4 products in the collection. So this is what the packaging of the eyeliner looks like. Very cute. I actually like their packaging. It looks so cute. Even though I've thought that it was actually makeup in there, but they're very nice. I like them. Look at that. This is the brush and this is the Superhero volumizing mascara right there. First impression about their packaging is absolutely cute. I'm going to start with their eyeshadow palette first. As you guys already know me, that I did my face before, I do my eyes before my face. I don't know why. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. The first one right here says Superhero Eye Foundation. That's quite interesting because I've never seen an eye foundation before. This is my first time. I'm going to swatch that for you guys to see. There are actually 2 of them, but it's matte finish. It has a matte finish to it. Wow. That is very pigmented. For a matte eyeshadow, that is very pigmented. Just use this as an eyeshadow base, maybe, because it's matte finish. You know. Oh really, there are 3 of them actually. So the third one right here, this does not look like matte at all. This has a bit of, you know, metallic finish to it. Maybe it's just me. I'm gonna swatch like 3 more shades for you guys. Look at that. The first 3 shades in the palette is called Superhero, Daring and Bold. Wow. This is very nice. The 6 shades that I swatched so far are matte finish. Tried to clean it, but it's still not going anywhere. Those are the 2 metallic finish that I swatched so far. The palette contains 6 matte eyeshadows and 6 shimmery shadows, which I swatched for you guys right here. I am quite impressed with this one because I've never tried their product before, and I have to be honest with you guys, I like what I see. I noticed about the palette so far is the fact that you definitely need another palette while using this palette. So the reason why I said that is because you need a transitional shade, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use any other palette. I'm going to use basically just this palette to create an eye look without using any other palette. So I am going to start by using the shade Daring. This shade right here is a matte finish. I'm going to use that as my transitional shade. Wow, look at that guys. Try this side as well, maybe it's just me. Guys, look at that. The formula of the eyeshadow, I like the formula of the eyeshadow. It's very opaque and very pigmented. I like it. I'll try as much as possible not to use any other palettes throughout this video, but let's just see how that works out for us. If you're going for bold colors and all, then you have to use another palette for that. But if you like smoky eye, then this palette is for you. Let's go for the dark blue shade. I'm going to take the shade Bold, this dark blue shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my lids. A little goes a long way, and you can already tell. Lighter shades in the palette can also be used for a neutral look. The thing is, you need another palette to, create a neutral look with the colors in the palette. I don't know if that makes sense anyway, but apart from that, I am feeling this palette shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my brow bone. I hope you guys can see because take a bit of the brown shade. I'm just going to blend that with the blue just to avoid any line of demarcation between the blue shade and the brown shade. So this shade right here, it's a very nice subtle gold shade. Just applying that on my inner corner. Look at the packaging. I hope you guys can see that the tip of the liner is very, very thin, which is a good thing for me. And it's very, very black. Look at that, guys. It's very, very black. I like it. That's going to my favorite list as well. So next I'm going to move on to the mascara. Look at that. Oh my days, their packaging is always so cute. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but if it requires me to move straight to the camera, I don't mind because the difference is, very, very clear. Wow. If there's anything I want to get again, it will be this mascara. So I finally decided to apply my eyelashes because I always feel empty, guys. Empty when I film a makeup tutorial without lashes. So apart from that, I really like the mascara. So the last but not the least product in the collection is the brush right here. I actually forgot to use this brush in the... wow. I didn't realize that. Did you guys see that? Oh, so soft. We still have this side left, which is very soft. It's a multi-purpose brush and it felt really sturdy and very nice. Use this for your outer V, to pack the pigments on your outer V, which is so nice, which is really nice. So I'm going to use this later on in the video. Applying the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer right here. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D foundation. I'm going to go in with my concealer. Open the Clinical Skin Concealer. The cup setting powder right here. I'm going to take the Sleek Contour Kit right here. I'm going to take the Itcosmetics brush that I showed you guys earlier. I'm going to take a bit of that contour powder. I'm going to tap the excess off and use that to apply the contour powder on my nose. This is actually working fine. This is working fine for me, so I can actually use that for my nose without a problem at all. My nose is snatched. I'm joking. So guys, pray for me. I always go overboard with this. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. Take the MAC setting spray right here. Cosmetics brush again. I'm going to use that to apply my highlighter. This is a multi-purpose brush. I like it. That's good. Look at that. Alright, lip contour right there. Go over that again with Glowy Morello lip gloss right here. I'll be back.